Hello. Okay, so today we'll talk about straight lines. Any straight line should have this form, y equals mx plus c. So if you're asked to find the equation of a straight line, it should be in this form. This is the standard form of a straight line, where m represents the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so if I ask you when y equals 2x plus 3, the gradient will be m equals 2 and c will be 3. So the gradient is 2 and c and the intercept is 3. Now if I say 2y equals 3x minus 2, and then I ask you what's the gradient and what's the y-intercept, you shouldn't give me 3 and minus 2 because it's not in the standard form. There's a 2 here. We need to get rid of the 2 first to put it in the standard form. Divide everything by 2, and then this will cancel. 3x over 2 minus 1, and then now the gradient will be 3 over 2 and the y-intercept will be minus 1, not 1, minus 1. Okay, 3, if I give you something like 2x minus 1 equals 3y plus 2, and then I ask you what's the gradient of this equation. First of all, we have to put it in the standard form. 3y plus 2, I switch both sides, 2x minus 1, and then I make sure I leave y alone. So in other words, we make y the subject of the formula. So we send the 2 to the other side. 3y equals 2x minus 1 minus 2. So 3y equals 2x minus 3, and then divide by 3. So y becomes 2x over 3 minus 1. So again, the gradient will be 2 over 3, and the y-intercept will be minus 1. Okay, that's how to identify the gradient and the y-intercept.